We saw the daily frustration gadget lovers face, the endless clutter of cables. So, we decided to engineer a smarter solution. From the 3D blueprints to the final packaging, we focused on absolute efficiency. Meet our flagship product, the ZealTyro Smart Stick. It is a complete 5-in-1 digital survival kit featuring 60-watt fast charging, high-speed data transfer, and secure travel storage. It's the ultimate everyday carry, trusted by students and professionals to simplify their daily grind.